Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back for another live session. Yes, we've been spending the week last week more privately with students for the boot camp. We're not done yet. I said it was supposed to be 5 sessions, but I don't care. I'm gonna spend some more days with them to make sure everybody gets it and everybody is making money. So that's the full goal of that boot camp. It's not to just say, "Hey, here we go," and good luck. I want to make sure that these guys are going to be making some money. All right, so now let's jump into today. Analysis. By the way, as you coming in, guys, make sure to smash the goddamn like button as you're coming in. Let me know. Say hi in the chat. We got Powder. Hello, session salutation. Name's dans, the name's dans le sud de la France. So nice. Sweet. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Bilal. Man, hopefully you're doing great. And man, the Dogtail setup showed up again I mean, not last, but yesterday morning. That's what I want to say. All right, so let's jump into it. Let's jump into it, guys. Oh man. Okay, by the way, guys, I'm so proud of the people in the bootcamp because bon matin, Mister, bon matin. J'espère que ça va bien. Um, so proud of the people who are in the boot camp on Discord. I don't have those comments saying like, "Are we in a trade? Are we getting this? Are we this? Are we that?" No, they are now. They're getting their confidence, and it's all about them, not the we. I mean, when you have people asking, "Are we in a trade?" That means one thing: you have no clue what you are doing. And I'm not saying this to be an asshole. I'm saying this because you need to work on your skills. And please do not ask people in a random Discord if we are in a trade. Like, who's we? Like, are you in a trade? Alors, on passe ce matin. Ah, ok, tu passes là-dessus pour. Ah ouais, tu partais. Pour la Thaïlande, on sait que t'allais, donc, je me rappelle plus. Anyways. Ben oui, on se reparle bientôt. Um, donc, so yeah, so basically, yeah, guys, um, you gotta own the chart. You're gonna trade for yourself. And please do not ask random question, in any Discord with people that just got started trading basically like just like or actually spot the one that had the most experience and go ask them questions. But sometimes just drive me nuts. I see stuff like I'm in different Discord, and I don't spend time on there anymore because I was trying to help a lot of people, but I realized that a lot of people are just like they're setting themselves for failure. Just like they keep repeating the same mistake and mistake again. Like there's a pair right now, USDCHF, that's about to be ready. Um, and there's people that's already in because man, they don't fucking learn from their mistakes. The same people that have been telling them wait for the pullback, and they're still getting early entries. And so I'm like, you know what, fuck it, fuck it. So I'm gonna spend time with people that wants to learn and wants to be better at it. Okay, so anyways, so that was just my little side note here this morning. Let's get started, guys. Let's get started with GJ. Let me get the banner going here. Boom, here we go. All right, cool. All right, let's start with GJ. Because we always start with GJ. GJ, I'm about to probably like this week or maybe next week. We'll see. Maybe gonna be able to take a swing trade on GJ, which is very interesting because all my last trade was scalps with the dogtail setup. So basically, the basically now weekly went bearish by breaking this low. So we flipped bearish. Now we're retesting this daily area of interest. I was hoping for a bigger pullback, in all honesty. So I would prefer to have at least this pullback here to the daily. And obviously, the best case scenario will be to have like a solid pullback on the weekly. But we cannot even talk about pullback yet because we don't have a bullish candle on the weekly yet. Okay. So maybe we're just going to continue down. But students know how to read price action now. So you guys know what's this hint right here, that there's now maybe a chance that we might see a pullback here. But clarity today look like we're going to this area, right? Because you guys learn how to read price action, okay? Which is solid. And you got this line here, which is your major QP. That should be retesting. Okay, so as for now on the dogtail setup now for H4, what time are we? Let me open up my PC here. Hello. All right, 7:48. Don't ring. MT4. Hello, MT4. All right, so now if you're looking on H4, we are still bearish. And damn, dude, are you good? All right, so we're, what the fuck? How many times are you gonna disconnect and reconnect? Okay. So now we are bearish on H4, and what I'm looking for is this, man, this computer is all over the place. Let me plug it. Oh, it's plugged. Okay. All right, guys. Oh yeah, we're plugged. Okay. So we're gonna wait for this candle to close at 9 a.m. and after that we'll see what we do. All depends on how this one closes. So for now, it's like too early to talk about it. Let's go to Euro GBP. I think there's some question here. No, okay, Tony. Hey, Tony, long time no see, man. Morning, morning, Mister. So now, if you're looking at Euro GBP weekly time frame, let's start with that. We've been waiting for what, 1, 2, almost 3 weeks now, almost 3 weeks for that pullback. Since we went bearish, oops. So we went bearish here and waited for the pullback inside that daily golden zone, which is pretty much like the weekly golden zone also, if I'm not wrong. Let's just check for fun. Yeah, which is actually, I wrote the weekly, but I'm guessing it's the same as the daily. Yeah, it's the same as the daily, like with a tiny minor difference, So yeah, okay, so daily and weekly golden zone. Why you have two? Oh no, okay, sorry. That's the area of interest. Here we go. So yeah, so this is our daily area of interest, and look like we went up here to retest it on the daily. Daily is bearish, obviously, and yeah, so we're bearish, having the pullback and ready to come down. Let's see now on the 4 hour. 4 hour now flipped bearish, so we went bullish on the 4 hour. Why? Because I mean, we needed the pullback on the higher time frame. So obviously the lower time frame will flip bullish, and now we're coming back bearish. So now what do we need to wait is the pullback. We need the pullback, and this pullback now should be around this area right here. So I'm going to be very careful here because we got the 382. I'm going to put the line black. So I'm going to put the line black. What am I doing here? So I know that's going to be my 382. And we're going to have our golden zone here. So H4, there we go. Okay, so this is just to give me a hint on where the pullback might go. But in all honesty, when you look at this, you know that you're going to come up to retest this structure or this structure. So that's why anywhere in this area, I would be interested. You know, I will be interested. For this, students know now that the lower time frame will go bullish, as you can see. And now we're gonna need the lower time frame to go back bearish before taking the trade. Boom, boom, no elbow, no elbow. All right, cool. So for now, we're sitting on our end and just waiting. We're just waiting for the lower time frame to flip back bearish, and that's about it, right? So very simple, very, 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 very simple. Just gotta wait. Patient is key in trading. If you're not patient, you're gonna get like early entries. You're gonna get like probably like people that did enter. I don't know how the fuck they did enter this though. Like I don't see even possibility, and I see tons of people in this trade already. I'm like, fuck, man. Like again, if it works, great for you, but that's gonna be once in a lifetime, you know. But anyways, let's break this down. Okay, so let's start with the weekly, and this is this trade idea came from I can't remember. Salah, I think. Salah. I think in our boot camp yesterday said, hey, can you take a look at USDCHF? So there we go. So here, if you're looking at the weekly, we got a weekly that was bullish. We got the infamous double top here, came down, retest the neckline of the double top to eventually come down. That's great. Now that we know that the weekly is bearish, if you're looking at the daily, the reason why, because there's people that's gonna get excited when they're gonna see this here, you know, and they're gonna try to enter here. But the problem is the daily was bullish at that time, you know. So if you're looking at the daily was bullish until we broke under that structure right here. So it was bullish from here to here, you know. So now that we flipped bearish, you wait for this pullback and you try to enter here. That would be the best entry possible. But the H4 didn't give us this possibility. You know, H4 went bullish, bearish and bullish, right? Oh no, did I miss it? I thought, sorry, my bad. Hold on, wait a second. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, looked like we missed it. So it was anything in here. All right, so for learning purposes, I like seeing this. Did I miss it? I thought we broke it down yesterday on the Zoom, but let me find out on the lower time frame if we missed the entry. So now went bullish from here to here. So it was bullish, you know, still bullish, still bullish, still bullish, still bullish. And we went, hold on, bearish. So I guess the only possible entry would have been like somewhere here, but that's at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Very low chance that I'm in front of a computer at that time. So yeah, so I guess now our second opportunity is going to be right here. And yeah, this, I don't really like it to be honest, because it's right in the afternoon and normally you don't have a lot of volume. But, you know, still makes sense. The only problem though is like, where do you put your stop? Like, if you enter here, I mean, you have to put your stop above previous structure, which doesn't make sense, you know? Or you can use a more aggressive stop loss and use like 5 pips above. But that becomes a super tight stop loss. That's a 10 pip stop loss. That becomes super tight. You know, anything for like a day trade or swing, 10 pip stop loss is pretty tight, not gonna lie. But hey, you can grab a great intraday here. So, anyways, long story short, we missed the first entry right here, which was probably the best, but it was not up here, obviously. As you can see, the lower time frame only shift lower down. So now what we got now, we got the H4 that went bearish. We got a pullback where we want it, because that's the other thing also. Like when this H4, actually this H4 went. Oh, sorry guys for the confusion here. So this, did we broke the low here? Hold on, wait a second. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Oh, okay, we didn't broke it. Okay, so that was still accurate. So we broke it. All right, so now we got a new lower low. We got a pullback. We got a nice engulfing candle on the 4 hour. So that looks good. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you're coming in. The 1 hour now flipped bearish. We flip bearish. 30-minute is bearish. Awesome. Now just waiting for the pullback. Just waiting for the pullback or the retest of the previous structure. And right here. And we're going to be looking at taking an entry here. So it's not ready yet, but getting close to. So that's good. ADUSD, finally, man, because I mean, I've been super patient. I didn't took any swing for the past. Now, this is for week 4 now, if I'm not wrong. I took some scalps with the dogtail setup, but that's about it. I don't think I took another swing for the past 4 weeks. It's just like the market's been shit, so I'm just being patient. Okay, so anyways, ADSD is bearish for the longest time ever, and we're just ranging on the weekly. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily flipped to bearish, just waiting for the pullback now. So if we don't have a pullback here, I'm just not really interested, to be honest, because we are at a lower low here on the daily. Plus this weekly is just ranging, so I'm like, nah. If I want to take something solid here, I need to wait for the pullback. Look at this H4 hour just ranging here. So I'm not interested. So this should be like lower. Euro GPY. Euro GPY weekly is bearish now. Very nice. Weekly bearish. We're coming up for the retest here or the pullback. Looking at the daily, we are bearish also. We're coming up to the first daily area of interest, H4. H4 is bearish. So everything is bearish now. Everything is bearish now. We just need to pull back in the retest. But obviously, the lower time frame probably went bullish by then. Yes, obviously. Where's my lines? Okay. So we're gonna mark it down. So it went from there to there, and after that from there to there. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so cool. We're bullish now. And H1 high. Here we go. 30-minute. 30-minute is bullish also. There we go. Perfect. So now just gotta wait for the lower time frame to switch. GCAD. All right, GCAD. We got a weekly time frame. Bullish as hell. I cannot be more bullish than this. We are a high here on GCAD. Why am I still looking at this? Because it's not even close to be ready. Like we need a solid pullback on this. Even the daily, we're at a high. So this should not be on the watch list. I mean, when we're gonna hit this area, we'll talk about it. Euro NZD weekly bullish. So here's our area of interest on the weekly. We cannot use our fib yet because we don't have a bearish candle, but we can definitely look at it now on the daily time frame. All right, so our 382 is in line with the second area of interest. Sorry. So this is not close to be ready also. So actually, let's remove this. AUD USD, we talked about it. Okay, any other pair? Entity GPY, let's see where the lower low here. Disrespected the low here by just a tiny thing. Entity CHF, we had a lower low on the weekly, lower low on the daily. AUD CHF, lower low, lower low. I mean, I don't think there's anything else. Someone asked me on Discord about Euro USD. This is so disgusting. Daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. I don't like this elbow. And 4 hours bearish. So nothing for me. Let's see. Oh, look at this. All right. USD GPY. We entered that weekly golden zone. Let's take a look on the daily. Daily went bearish. 4 hour is bearish. Actually, hold on. So from there to there, oh, here we have an elbow. Even this one, sometimes like doji or right off can, but this is a very, like, even if the doji wasn't there, it was an elbow. Okay. No elbow there, no elbow there, no elbow there. All right, cool. So we're still bearish on H4. So first we need the daily to go back bullish. So the best thing for this pair would be something like this. This come back above, retest, go up. Okay. So we can move it up a little bit, but nothing crazy. Any other pair you guys looking at? Let me see. Hey, good morning, Krish. Hope you're doing good. Let me see. Cat GPY. Cat GPY on the weekly just flipped bearish. Okay, let's update this chart. So okay. What about the daily? The daily is bearish also. Okay, so now that we got the daily and the weekly in sync, we're gonna go back to the weekly. Let's see. Do we have any area of interest? Not really. Here, maybe, but this is yes, this is an area of interest, but do I like this area of interest? Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Bye. Alrighty. So this was a weekly area of interest. Here we go. But do I like this area of interest? The answer is no. It's way too close from this. This is not. I don't like this. The only way I would like this is if it's a continuation of the daily, meaning continuation of the weekly, meaning that all right, this wick came up to retest. Cool. And after that, we're coming down, breaking the low to continue lower. All right, cool. That makes sense. But those are not my favorites. I'm not gonna lie. Right now, I cannot use the fib because I mean we don't have a bullish candle yet. Here we can definitely use it. So I would prefer something around here, to be honest. That would be nice. Because don't forget, the bigger the pullback, the bigger the move. Um, Bigger the wick, bigger the move. Um, okay. So weekly, daily, and sync. Now the 4 hour, 4 hour is still bearish. We are still bearish. Here we go, lower low, and lower. Here we go. All right, cool. Anything else? Let me see the chat here to make sure I didn't miss anything. Give me one sec, guys. The last one I want to take a look at is GN. Where's GN at? Oh, we're at high, massively, massive. Damn, it's been a while. I didn't update this chart. Okay, so let's remove this, and let's move this up here, up here. Okay. So weekly high, daily bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish. Let's see here, and where's the other line? Yo, where's my other line? Okay, daily. Here we go, perfect. So we got the weekly and the daily bullish, but we are the high in both cases, so not interested. Okay, I don't think we have anything else. If you guys saw anything else, let me know. NZDCHF, where low, NZD at a lower low, EuroCAD at a high, GU. Oh, GU's having a pullback here. All right, let me check. So the weekly is bearish on GU. We got the daily bullish having a pullback here. Inside that golden zone, I'm pretty sure, or very close to. Yeah, we're expecting the safety net here. All right, cool. 4 hours bearish though. Okay. So it would be maybe interesting to have a day trade here if we have 4 to break above and flip back bullish. Um, yeah, because it really looked like we failed here. We failed on this push down to create a new lower low and look like now we're moving back above. We're getting close to this resistance though, but it can be interesting for a day trade maybe. But again, the 4 hours again, so even if I keep an eye on, not my favorite. All right, let me check the chat. Oh, you guys are quiet this morning, man. What's going on? What is going on, guys? Okay. Any questions? Let me know. Let me know. All right, let's go back to GJ for 1 sec. What time is it? 8. So GJH4 is going to be closing in 45 minutes. And looks like we got a doji. Here look like we got our push up to retest this daily area of interest. I was hoping for a bigger pullback, but it is what it is, I guess. Um, it's probably 382 around there. Let me see. Oops, wrong tool. This one. Yeah, 382 right on the dot. Okay. So, yeah. I mean, bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily, 4 hour, bearish. Cool. Yeah, man. If this doji close like this, I'm gonna wait for the wick up, breaking the low, and taking my entry down. This one can be pretty nice, especially after those 2 wicks rejection. Now students know how to read those candles and how to read those wicks and know what it means. So that's good. Let's take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour went bullish. H1 higher high, H1 high low. Cool. So as a swing, I would wait for my time frame, my lower time frame to switch. Obviously, for scalps, different vision. Um, 30-minute bull. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. Excelente. Let me see here. Have the 4 bullish in USD CHF. Can you check again? My chart is in the Discord. Okay. Let's go check. This one. Oh, that's H1. Oh, here. I got confused. I thought that was my chart because of the colors. Okay, so that's your H4. Oh, it's because you counted this one as an elbow. It's because you counted this one as an elbow. That's it. That is it. That's the only thing. I personally don't like this elbow. Where's my H4? Where is it? Here. Oh, that was on USDCHF, right? Yeah, you counted this one as an elbow. Like, if you look, this one goes like, not really an elbow. This is an elbow, you know? So, this is an elbow. This is an elbow. This is an elbow. This an elbow. Um, elbow. No elbow. Okay. So there's no sharp turn. Sharp turn, you know, sharp turn, sharp turn, sharp turn. Um, like here, no elbow. Here, no elbow. See? Just wanted to. It's honestly that still up to today. It's one of the thing that can be confusing and fucked up the analysis, but still. You got to go with your logic also. I think at one point you need to look at it and say, all right, I mean, does it make sense? There's places when you're going to be near like a specific area and you look to the left and it's being super well respected, you can say, all right, this you can count that as an elbow, right? But yeah, here for me, there's no elbow, so that's why we're still bearish. And yeah, those are just candles side by side. We're not really like creating you know, that turn. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me go check back to the chart. Much okay. No lower one. Thanks. No sharp turn. Oh, the lower one. Hold on. This one? You talking about this one? If you're talking about this one, that's like this one's a doji, right off candle, move candle side by side. You got nothing. I mean, even if you count this, I mean, you got nothing. It's just like straight. It's like you know, got nothing there. I don't know if it's the one you're talking about, this one or this one, but yeah. In both cases, there's no elbow, in my personal opinion. Again, I'm not saying I got the only way to look at the chart and I'm the best and blah 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 blah. Just for me, that's what it's been working. All right, cool. Okay, so what else? Yeah, I think we're good, right? I think we did the tour. Let's see. Last round of questions or suggestion or trade ideas or chart breakdown. Let's send it my way. Let's take a look at. Boom, boom, boom. By the way, I got someone who sent me the question this morning. I will not do another boot camp for now. These guys, I want to focus on these guys first, and we'll see later on. I don't plan anything for now. Just want to make sure these guys are good, and after that, we'll look at it. Like if I was doing this for the money, I'll be like, yeah, man, let's run another boot camp, another one, and fuck no. It's very time consuming, guys. And yeah, I have a lot of things going on at the same time also, so pretty busy. All right, cool. So we're good. I guess so. All right, so thank you for tuning in this morning, guys. Thank you so much. I'll be on live once again, and we're back with Forex Talk over here on Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. This is where we're going to be also giving you trade ideas, breaking down some charts, but also talking about winning trades, losing trades, and mostly like having just a fun time. We can talk about all kind of stuff on Forex Talk over here because it's not mean to be super serious. So we can talk a lot of shit, or not. It just depends on how I feel. So all right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on Thursday night, guys. Peace out. Take care.